setting him right back there. Lined up. Alright, been wiring, road 4.
Next thing we got M.I.A sitting in the picture right now in Cam XS. It's going to be +1, unfortunately, a 65,409. It's just not a good event in a timing vehicle unless there's comedy going on. It's a clean run for Shetha, and she gets a 62,206, no help there in the GT4 RS. Coming in now, Jeff Wyron. Jeff's going to have a clean run on a 66.332. That's his best by 2/10. Fourth run's counted. Congratulations. But you get a DNF also.
Lined up.
It's just not a good event in a timing vehicle unless there's comedy going on. It's a clean run for Shetha, and she gets a 62,206. No help there. For RS. Alright, Billy Jones coming in. One cone. A big spin. 69,359. Coming in now, Jeff Wyron. That's 409.32. That's so apparently we're doing at least 4 runs.